Today guys, I show you how to download and install 7-zip on your PC, Mac or laptop. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. First you need to do, just open your browser and type like me 7-zip. And search this on Google and you will see this first site. Click on it. When you open this site, you will see in this first section, download. This is for 64 bits. And you have here 34 bits processors. Just click here download and save your installation. After downloading 7-zip like me, just open it and you will see this new window. Just click here install and go here close. After installing 7-zip, just press Windows button and search this. And you will see 7-zip file manager, open it. And that's it all guys for this video, how to download and install 7-zip on your PC free and fast. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.